Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. So we're back to the question and answer time. So what oil is being used in the new Maverick R? I'm here with the oil change kit right now. You want to check it out? All right, so this is a new oil and oil change kit for the Maverick R. It is a 5W40 full synthetic. This kit will come with everything that you need. The part number 9779500. What are you going to get in the kit? You're going to get 3 quarts of XPS. You're going to get the oil filter. You're going to get a washer. You're going to get O-rings and a sealing ring. So that's going to be everything you need. It is available also in quarts as well as in bulk. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Have a great day, everybody.